Starlink is officially available in Ghana right now, and you can purchase it directly from the website without having to pay all the 11,000 people are selling it right now in Ghana. I got an email saying Starlink is available because I pre-ordered and I have 7 days to make the payment or else my pre-order will be cancelled. So here's how much they're going to charge me for the entire thing, for my kit and my monthly payments. Let's start with the monthly payment. It's 770 Ghana cedis per month, with the hardware being 5,390 Ghana cedis and shipping being 354 Ghana cedis, making a total of 5,603 Ghana cedis. That's if you're purchasing directly from Starlink. If you have to purchase it right now with people selling it in Ghana, you'll be getting prices around 10,000, 11,000, 9,000, which is higher than what Starlink is officially selling it. So if you're looking for something like this, just open a Starlink website, sign up, and place your order directly from there. However, my question is, if I'm to purchase directly from them and they're shipping to Ghana, will I have to pay for clearance at customs, or how is the delivery process going to be? So that's my only question right now, but this is the pricing for Starlink. Again, monthly payment is 770 Ghana cedis per month, with the kits being 5,603 Ghana cedis. If you want to know more about Starlink, drop a comment on this video. The more comments I get will influence if I purchase Starlink or not. It's that simple. What else?